Hey, we have a Southwestern Industries PROTO-TRAK TRL 1440EX CNC/toolroom lathe, 14-inch swing, 40-inch centers. We're going to run it for you. Machine has the ELX control. Right now he's using the pulse generator to move the X axis. It has both X and Z pulse generators. Electronic hand wheels. He also can move the machine in rapid through the control. Both axes, ball screws, and motors are quiet. The waves are very nice. He's running the spindle right now at 320? What was the speed? 800. 170. 60 RPM. Again, from 60 to 2400 is what you can do. 450. Okay, so you've seen the spindle go in a bunch of different speeds, which again from 60 to 2400 is the RPM. That's number 3 Morse tapered tailstock, 5-inch quill travel. Machine has the also has the chip guard and coolant system. Hey, thank you for watching our video.